Kidney health is becoming more of a global issue because more and more people are having problems with their kidneys. A lot more people are getting chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, which means that more people need dialysis, a process that removes waste and extra fluid from the blood artificially. People should be worried about this trend because it not only lowers the standard of life, but also puts a lot of stress on healthcare systems. A bad diet, not being active enough, and more people getting diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure are all big causes of kidney health getting worse. As the health problem gets worse, there is a positive trend toward looking into natural ways to help kidneys work better and avoid serious conditions like CKD. Among these treatments, some fruits have shown amazing promise in cleaning out the kidneys and making them healthier in general. Because they are high in water, important vitamins and antioxidants, these foods can help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve the health of your urinary tract, which supports your kidneys' natural detoxification processes. By including these foods in their diet, people can take steps to keep their kidneys healthy and maybe even lower their risk of dying from kidney disease. In this video, we'll talk about the 3 foods that are known for being especially good at cleaning out the kidneys. People have praised these fruits not only for how tasty they are, but also for how good they are for you, especially for kidney health. By focusing on these fruits, we hope to give you easy-to-find, natural ways to improve your kidney health and general health. Each of these fruits has a lot of science support and a lot of personal stories that show how well they work. A lot of research has shown that these foods are good for your kidneys. They lower your risk of getting kidney stones, make your urinary tract healthier, and help your body get rid of toxins. It has been shown that these fruits are very good for you. Additionally to the scientific study, many people have shared their own personal experiences and success stories, saying that eating these fruits regularly improved their kidney health. Together, these pieces of evidence make a strong case for eating these fruits as a natural and effective way to help your kidneys and maybe even keep you from needing dialysis. The kidneys are very important for health because they remove waste and extra water from the blood and flush them out of the body as pee. These bean-shaped organs are on either side of the spine just below the rib cage. They keep the body's electrolyte balance in check, make sure blood pressure stays normal, and keep the body's internal conditions stable by controlling the acid-base balance. In addition, the kidneys make chemicals that help keep blood pressure in check, make red blood cells, and keep bones strong and healthy. However, a number of common problems can make kidneys less effective. Kidney damage is most often caused by long-term diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure. High blood sugar in people with diabetes can hurt the kidney's small blood vessels, making it harder for them to filter trash properly. High blood pressure or hypertension can weaken or harden the vessels around the kidneys. This makes it harder for blood to flow to the kidneys, which can damage them over time. Other things that can hurt kidney function are urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and taking certain medicines for a long time that are bad for the kidneys. To make things even worse, bad habits like smoking, eating poorly, and not being active can all negatively impact kidney health. It is important to be aware of these risks and take action to protect and keep kidney function. For example, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and staying away from harmful substances are all very important. When you cleanse your kidneys by getting rid of toxins and waste that build up over time, you're basically using detoxing. This process of cleansing is important for keeping the kidney's ability to filter blood, control body fluids, balance electrolytes, and make hormones that the body needs to do many things. If you don't clean properly, toxins can build up in your kidneys and make them less effective. This can make you more likely to get kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease or kidney stones. Because they are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and natural substances that are good for kidney health, some fruits are especially good at helping the body get rid of toxins. These fruits help by getting rid of toxins, lowering inflammation, and improving the health of your urinary system as a whole. To give you an example, some veggies naturally make you pee more, which helps your body get rid of toxins more quickly. Some are full of antioxidants that keep kidney cells safe from damage and toxic stress. By eating these fruits, you can help your kidneys do their normal job of detoxification, which is good for their health and can help avoid problems in the future. Let's move on to the main topic by talking about how what you eat has a big effect on your kidney health. The things we eat can either help or hurt the way our kidneys work. To keep your kidneys healthy, you need to eat foods that are high in nutrients and low in chemicals that are bad for you. Some of these healthy food choices are veggies that have been shown to have strong detoxifying effects. You can take direct steps toward better kidney health by learning about these foods and eating them every day. Let's start with cranberries, which are the first fruit on our list that has been shown to help the kidneys detoxify in amazing ways. Cranberries are small, sour berries that are full of many healthy nutrients. This makes them a popular choice for health. As well as being high in fiber and antioxidants, they are also high in vitamins C, E, and K. Because these nutrients are part of cranberries' total nutritional profile, they are good for your health in general, as well as your kidney health. Cranberries have special chemicals that are good for your kidneys. These include proanthocyanidins, which are strong antioxidants that help keep bacteria from sticking to the urinary system, and quinic acid, which stops kidney stones from forming. If you don't treat urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to more major kidney problems if you don't, cranberries can help. Proanthocyanidins, which are found in cranberries, stop germs like E. coli to the urinary tract walls, which lowers the chance of getting one. This is very important because having a lot of UTIs can eventually cause long-term kidney damage. Cranberries also have antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation, which helps the kidneys do their normal job of detoxification. Cranberries are good for your kidneys according to a lot of scientific proof. Cranberries are good for your urinary tract and can help keep you from getting infections, as many studies have shown. On the other hand, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women who regularly ate cranberry products had a lot fewer UTIs. Another study in the Journal of Urology showed that drinking cranberry juice lowered the risk of getting urinary tract infections again. These results show that cranberries can help keep your kidneys healthy and stop problems that can happen because of them. Adding cranberries to your diet can be simple and taste great. To add a tart taste to salads, you can use fresh or dried cranberries. You can also blend them into smoothies and juices. Cranberry juice is a popular choice, but to avoid getting too much sugar, it's best to choose types that aren't sweetened. For a healthy twist, cranberries can also be added to baked items like muffins or scones. Try this easy recipe with cranberries. Recipe for cranberry smoothie. What you need: 1 cup cranberries, fresh or frozen. 1 orange. 1 cup of Greek milk. A half cup of orange juice. 1 tablespoon of honey. Ice cubes, not required. Here are the steps. 1. In a mixer, blend the cranberries, banana, Greek yogurt, and orange juice together. 2. Mix until it's smooth. For extra taste, you can add honey. 3. For a cold smoothie, add ice cubes and mix again. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy a cool drink that is good for your kidneys. Cranberries have a lot of health benefits that can help your kidneys and your general health if you eat them every day. For its high water content, about 90% of its weight, watermelon is a food that is both refreshing and good for you. This juicy fruit is not only a great treat for hot summer days, but it is also full of vitamins and nutrients that are good for your health. There are a lot of antioxidants and important amino acids in watermelon. It also has a lot of vitamins A, C, and B6. Because it has these nutrients, Watermelon is a great food for people who want to eat healthily, especially to keep their kidneys healthy. One of the best things about watermelon for kidneys is that it is mostly water. Water helps the body stay hydrated and helps the kidneys get rid of waste and toxins more effectively. Staying hydrated is important for kidney health because it helps the kidneys clear blood and get rid of waste through urine. Watermelon's diuretic traits also make you pee more, which helps the detoxification process even more. There are also antioxidants in watermelon, especially lycopene, that help protect kidney cells from harm and oxidative stress. Chronic kidney disease and other health problems can be caused by oxidative stress, so eating antioxidant-rich foods like watermelon is good for you. Watermelon contains the amino acid citrulline, which helps to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. This can improve kidney function and lower the risk of high blood pressure, which is a common cause of kidney damage. Watermelon's ability to clean the body has been supported by scientific study. Studies have shown that watermelon's high water content and ability to make you pee more can help lower the amount of harmful chemicals in the kidneys, which is good for the health of the kidneys as a whole. For example, a study in the journal Food and Nutrition Research showed that eating watermelon helps you stay hydrated and keeps your kidneys working well. A lot of experts say that watermelon is a natural way to help keep your urinary system healthy and avoid getting kidney stones. The process of adding fruit to your diet is easy and fun. Here are some ideas for how to add this thirst-quenching fruit to your food. Fresh slices. For a quick and easy snack, eat watermelon in fresh slices. Smoothies. For a cool drink, blend watermelon with other veggies like mint or strawberries. You can add watermelon cubes to salads with feta cheese, cucumber, and fresh flowers to make them more interesting. Juice. For a cool drink, blend watermelon and strain out the seeds to make your own watermelon juice. By eating watermelon on a daily basis, you can stay hydrated, help your kidneys clean out waste, and enjoy many other health benefits. Now we'll talk about the last fruit on our list, lemons. They can help keep your kidneys healthy and clean out your body. Lemons are a flexible fruit that are known for their sour taste and pleasant smell. They have a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants, and citric acid, which makes them a great food for people with kidney disease. Because of how they are made, lemons are especially good for keeping you hydrated and stopping kidney stones from forming. Lemons are good for your kidneys because they have a lot of citric acid in them. It is known that citric acid can stop kidney stones from forming by forming a bond with calcium in the urine. This makes it less likely that a stone will form. Additionally, citric acid raises the pH and amount of urine, which makes it harder for kidney stones to form. This is very important for people who often get calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type of kidney stone. Lemons have vitamin C, which is another strong antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. This lowers inflammation and keeps the kidneys safe from oxidative harm. Vitamin C also helps the immune system, which helps keep the kidneys healthy by preventing illnesses like urinary tract infections, UTIs. Lemons have been shown to be good for your kidneys in a natural way. Researchers have found that drinking lemon juice on a daily basis can raise the amount of citrate in the urine. This is important for keeping kidney stones from forming. A study in the Journal of Urology found that people who took lemon juice treatment had a lot fewer kidney stones than people who didn't. Another study published in BMC Urology showed that lemon juice can help prevent kidney stones from coming back, making it a useful natural treatment. Adding lemons to your daily routine is simple and can be done in a number of ways, including lemon water. For a cool and hydrating drink, squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of water. If you drink lemon water all day, it can help your kidneys stay clean and fresh. For salad dressing, mix lemon juice with olive oil, garlic, and herbs to make your own salad dressing. Smoothies. To make them taste even better, add lemon juice to them. Lemon tea. To start the day, drink a cup of warm lemon tea with honey. This can help clean out your body and keep your kidneys working well. Here's an easy way to get daily lemon benefits. Lemon water recipe to clean out your kidneys. What you need: 1 fresh lemon, 1 liter of water. Ice cubes, not required. Cut up fresh mint leaves. Here are the steps. 1. Add 1 lemon's juice to a liter of water. 2. If you want your drink to be cold, add ice cubes. 3. To make it even more cool, add some fresh mint leaves on top. 4. Drink it throughout the day to stay hydrated and help your kidneys get rid of waste. By drinking lemon water every day, you can benefit from its ability to cleanse your body, support healthy kidney function, and help avoid getting kidney stones. Overall, eating cranberries, mangoes, and lemons can be very good for your kidney health because they help the body get rid of waste, stop infections, and lower the risk of getting kidney stones. You can protect your kidneys and improve your general health by making these fruits a regular part of your diet. Thanks for reading. If you liked what you read, please subscribe to our channel, Health Hack, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos with health tips and advice. Wait for more tips on how to make your life better and take charge of your health.